Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Wednesday. Hope you guys had a fabulous week. Today we are going to be playing for the last time with my VIP papers for June, when we're going to be sharing with you guys how to make some ephemera, gift boxes, gift card and some cards as well. Keep watching guys, and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, welcome back on the desk. Today I want to showcase my June VIP papers for the last time because June is almost finished. So today I'm showcasing the VIP papers, which if you want to get them, you've got until the end of the month to subscribe. So let me show you the two packs. So the first pack, it's this one, which is taking inspiration from the Mediterranean. I don't know if if you've ever been on holiday in like Spain, Greece, south of Italy, you will see in a typical restaurants like some famous tablecloth. They are literally like these pages, and that is the inspiration I talk from. They got this very traditional plastic tablecloth, and they all look the same, and they all got flowers and fruits. And not just on summer, you find them in every day of the year, like you find them all the time. So I decided to kind of like take an inspiration from that and translate it into digital papers. And I hope you guys enjoyed its like vibe, Mediterranean vibe. I just want to give you like a little vibe of you are on holiday in the south of Italy with me in my home village. Right, so you got a couple of backgrounds. So you got a contrast of geometric and fruit. Let me put this aside for a minute. Then you got another background with butterflies and strawberries, cherries, and another geometric background. As I explained to you guys several times in previous videos, I am the guy of contrast. I love things that clash, but I love put them together. I love like the fluidity of the fruits with a geometric background. I think as a contrast it works really well. Then this is probably one of my favorite, where you got your flowers. So you got the daisy, the like blue sky on the background, and then the strawberries and the cherries on top. And one more, which is this one. You get all the berries, some apples and oranges, and I think it works really well with these super cute daisies. Then in the kit you get a couple of envelopes, and that's what I want to show you today. I'm going to I'm going to put all this ephemera together because I want to show you what all these pages look like. Tags, again, with citrus from my orange tree. A milk carton box, which I'm going to put this together in just a minute, so I can show you guys what it looks like. 4 background. And I thought this would do really nice cards, which I'm going to do this. More tags, again, very Mediterranean with the contrast of the pears, the apples, and it's really nice deep blue on the background. These 5 at the same size, those 2 are slightly bigger. I've got fabulous peaches as well. So that's one kit. And then the second kit is called Bride Pansies, because guess what? There's loads of pansies. So it's got backgrounds, and I kept this really lovely deep purple / violet because I think it's very dramatic. And I like the fact that it is in contrast with the yellow. I think it works. Then I'll give you a couple of pages with some numbers and letters, so you can do your personalized side of it. So if you do like cards or gift boxes or anything, you can either do an advent calendar if you wanted to with these beautiful pansies. You got all the numbers. Okay, so you got 0 to 9, and then all the letters from A to Z. Okay, and then on the same page I left it plain so you guys can stamp your own image. And then this is slightly bigger, again plain, so you guys can do what you want with it. And then in the same pack there is a milk carton box. So another gift box, a pillow box, again because I like to give you a bit of versatility with this kit, because you guys can, if you do like, I don't know, like table flavors or little gift pouches or anything, and you do something that you want to create something that matches, you got all this paper that all matches together. Look at this fabulous blue. It's so deep. And then some butterflies. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cut some of these and put on top of the box. Last but not least, yes, we got some more tags, because you never have enough tags. And again, what you can do, if you use as a gift tag, you can put the initial of the person just in there. That's a really nice touch. Okay, let me have a little play and I'll be right back. Hey guys, done. I had loads of fun. And this sort of project are a project that you don't have to think a lot about it, because I have done the hard work for you. And once you got these gift boxes papers, you just have them for life. You just buy them once, you print them, you put it together, and you have them for life. So let me show you the 2 mil carton first. Although the 2 separate collections, one of the fruity one is the pansies one, you see the match, because the palette, the color palettes within the 2 kits are pretty much the same, so they all work really well together. So these are fabulous gift boxes. They measure 2.5 by 2.5 by 2.5. So yeah, I love them. I love creating them, and I love put them together. I think they're just so cute, so cute. Especially if you have like a summer table and you put this as a little gift, like treat boxes for your guest. I think that's a really quite cute. Okay, so we've got 2 of those. Then I've made up the pillow box, super simple. And then I don't know what you can see, we got a cluster of 3 butterflies. So cute. I mean, I love to receive a little present wrapped in this beautiful gift box. Then 2 envelopes. So as you can see on the kit, one was the bigger, one was the smaller. But what I thought, you can actually put it together. You know, if you glue them together, maybe you put some cash in there and then a little card to say, I don't know, happy birthday. So you get 2 envelopes into one. I think it's quite a pretty idea. Or you can just use them to store your ephemera or your little cards, anything that you guys want. Love them, love them, love them. Where did I put my tags? Oh, the tags are there. Yes, I remember now, because yeah, they were gluing. So what I've done, I made the tags, and because that's my opinion, I don't think they need anything else. I just put some doily on the corner. I have a bag of colourful doily. Sorry about the whistle. Where are the other ones? Guys, I can't locate the colourful one. And I left them aside because, oh, let me show the guys. No. Guys, nowhere to be seen. No, they're not even. I don't know. Do you guys have... I think I got fairies here. I think I got naughty fairies that come here and jump and do things when I'm not putting attention. But I was gluing, so I was here. I'm sure. No, they're not here. Never mind. Well, they're colourful doilies. Yeah, I just put it in the corner just to give it that extra detail, but I don't think they need anything else. The reason why I wanted to show you to you guys, because they're really bright. So I bought them from Amazon a while ago, so I just put a white one here because there's a lot going on in there, so I think he needed an accent of white, and I just punched them there. So I'm just going to put a ribbon through. Okay, and then last but not least, I just made some cards with the background. So this is a simple, very simple yellow hello card. So I just played with this is one of my favorite die from Stampin' Up, and then I've got a box which is here finally. It's located next to me when I store all my sentiment. So you got birthday, thinking of you, all sorts. So I've just put it all together. They're all from different brands. Sometime especially when I want to showcase the paper, I would like to stamp on it. So I just put a little accent. In this case, I put a yellow background and a yellow sentiment. And also I mounted the card on a black cardstock. I tend to do that when on the paper there is a lot of colors. So when it's quite a lot going on, I tend to put a black layer just to tone down a bit. But also at the same time, when you put a very bright cardstock with a black cardstock, what the black one does, it just lifts the yellow up. So as you can see on this card, for it, let me just, if you look at this card without any other colors, the first thing you see is the yellow and then the red, because the black one, what the black does, it's lift it all the other brighter colors. And that's the little tip I give it to you guys. When you want to highlight something, use a layer of black cardstock, and I've done the same on the others. So again, this is a thank you card, so put the background, a doily, a thanks, and then in between I just put the black. So if I lift the card back, the first thing you see are the red strawberries and then the sentiment. Just a little tip. Do the same here with this the different layers, red and black. And then I put with love, and then a little ribbon, green ribbon there, because it's quite a lot of green, and a big butterfly. Just wanted to give it a bit of contrast. Green and red are the opposite color on the color wheels, so it works really well for contrast cards. And then last but not least, a little happy birthday card with a little thing that you can do, like up and down, up and down, up and down until the next birthday, up and down. No, I'm joking. Again, the black layer helped me for you guys to see the green first, and then of course the yellow. What do you guys think? What's your favorite? What's your favorite? Let me know in the comment down below. But this is to show you guys how just a simple kit gives you gift boxes, envelopes, tags, all sorts. And that is the reason why I love designing this paper kit, because with one purchase you are sorted for life. Okay, so just want to answer a message from the lovely Beth Allen, and I put Beth comment on the screen. So Beth asked me some more info to join the VIP. Guys, you just simply do follow the link down below, and that will take you straight to the homepage. So the VIP lounge is a yearly subscription. So once you joined, so if you joined this month, you get the papers that I have shown you today. So from the month you joined, for the next 11 months, so you've got 12 months in total, you get 2 digital papers sent to your email address in the beginning of the month. I normally send them the 1st of the month or the 30th the month before. You also get a 20% nominated discount code that is nominated to you. You can use that on a website for a year, and that's included sale items and other promotions, so you guys get the extra 20%. And also every month you guys get another offer that can be another free kit, can be a 3 for 2. I tend to vary quite a lot, so you get a special offer as well as everything else. So very, very worth the money, I think. And just to, to give something a bit different. And the reason why it's an exclusive kit is the papers here are not available on the website to buy from everybody else. So I got a really special VIP next month. Don't want to say much, but it's been one of the highest requested. But I will talk you through in the next VIP video that I'm going to do in a few weeks. But yeah, so if you want this paper, these are June's paper. So do you need to subscribe in the next week or so before the month expired? Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys. And yeah, just follow the link, and I hope you like this very florally fruity project. Okay guys, so I am offering a £5 off discount code to all the existing VIP members. They actually resubscribed for the 2nd year in a row, and I thought it's only fair that if I offer the same coupon code to you guys if you want to join. So yeah, so enjoy £5 off your VIP lounge. add the kit to the cart and then add the code VIP5, just one word, VIP5 at checkout, and that will take £5 off immediately you subscribe. So just want to take 2 minutes to say thank you so much to Pamela, Rita, Eric. Yes, we have a guy. Doesn't happen often, but we do have some guys in the group. So yes, and Martha, and all these lovely guys have joined in June, and it's so heartfelt because Martha, and I've asked her if I have the permission to share, and she gave me the permission. Martha actually bought the VIP subscription for her friend. So her friend, as a birthday present, so her friend, which I get, of course, I have a detail, will receive the kits, the discount code, and the offer every month for 12 months. Well, I thought, what is a thoughtful, lovely present? So yeah, just to give you some ideas, you want to treat yourself for your birthday or treat somebody else. Hey guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, the usual big thumbs up is always much appreciated because you're telling YouTube how much you like my content. Guys, I'm going to put a couple of links here on the video on the screen. One is a recent card that we made using the Stampin' Up products, and another link in here, another video where we make another card together a little while ago, just to give you some more ideas and inspiration. Guys, thank you so much for watching from the bottom of my heart, and until Friday, stay safe and well. Bye.